Hi, I'm Maxim from Versa, and in this video we are going to learn what is Firewall as a Service and how Versa solution can deliver a full stack of distributed security in your organization. Let's go ahead and check Firewall as a Service definition first. According to a Gartner, firewall can be an application or hardware appliance that is used to control network security policy. Firewall can be stateless or stateful. Stateless firewall traditionally implemented as a security access list containing set of rules applied in a single direction. It is typically supported on any network appliance. On the other hand, stateful firewall is more advanced security solution that is capable to track a session by analyzing network traffic patterns based on up to layer 4 database on OSI model. However, today both are considered as a legacy perimeter-based security solution that still lack visibility and control to defend your resources from modern attacks. So another and more advanced solution, according to a Gartner glossary, is a next-generation firewall. It is a stateful firewall that has more visibility and control options beyond the standard port protocol inspection. Additionally, Gartner defines UTM as a unified threat management system that includes and not limited to advanced features like IPS, URL filtering, antivirus, etc. Every vendor has its own supported capabilities available on so-called converged security platform. Also, many vendors these days developed UTM platforms that even suit a large enterprise needs by accommodating enough performance while ensuring strong network traffic inspection. Finally, Firewall as a Service is a cloud security solution that protects your resources and ensure your privacy. What services are implemented in this cloud offering is up to a specific vendor capabilities. However, Gartner highlights that true decent firewall as a service solution must include UTM features in order to avoid early failures on a market. So let's define firewall as a service as a software as a service or SaaS cybersecurity offering provided by vendors that should fully cover network security requirements for any business vertical. Also, it should be provided as a transparent and easy to use service from a cloud delivered by vendor. Firewall as a service should include UTM functionalities for deep network inspection, protection, and reporting, at the same time fulfilling rapid scaling demands to handle more traffic as per business needs. Now, once we have this definition, let's go ahead and check how Versa can meet these rapidly growing security demands. Versa software embrace all market-leading security functions that can be used to build efficient protection shield required for your organization. We all understand that each feature or security function has its own objective. However, the most important is how you will use it or how you are going to build a proper security stack. Each organization will be different with different requirements, but it doesn't take away its primary purpose. A properly designed security stack should protect our users, protect our data, and any other important asset used by our organization to ensure business continuity. Therefore, building and continuously evaluating security lifecycle with a proper toolset at your disposal is a critical aspect for any chosen defensive strategy. As I mentioned previously, to build an efficient protection shield, the way you use available tools and functions is important. However, we need to clearly define layers of our defensive strategy. With that said, we can't just rely on a number of features turned on. We have to think what devices our users use to connect to a network. Where are our users located when they need to access our network? What applications should be available for which users? Where those applications are hosted? What data user may need to get in order to properly do his work? Those and many other questions often brought at any security strategy workshop. A first step to start answering all those questions is to understand how granularly I can segment my network and resource workloads. The second step is to evaluate if security tools at my disposal can give enough control and visibility among those segments. This is another important aspect to build an efficient protection shield. Also, this is another reason why I said we need a distributed security implemented in a layered approach in order to make a proper response to modern attacks that exist today. Let's go ahead and check a Versa distributed security approach. First point here is a Versa unified software stack which embraces all necessary functions to efficiently deliver secure SD-WAN and SSC features. This means that traffic processing happens in a single software that originally built to accommodate a chain of various functions for WAN edge requirements. All those functions are done in so-called virtual service chain that is optimized to process network traffic in an efficient way. Second point is a single pane of glass that is natively integrated with FWaaS software. That means visibility, network configuration, and security policy enforcements are all done from a single user interface that combines all available functions in a logical structure. It is really a convenient approach in designing a layered protection shield supplemented by secure SD-WAN. And finally, a third point here is microsegmentation that can be enforced everywhere. Versa software with market-leading multi-tenancy solution can be deployed in a cloud, on-prem DC, headquarter, or branch, while also remote users or traveling employees are an integral part of the overall unified Versa SASE fabric. With all that said, to conclude, using Versa solution, you can logically structure a layered protection shield for your organization, leveraging all required modern security functions. From a single UI, you can manage your on-prem and cloud-based firewall, where you decide which security functions should be enforced at which place. It makes your security stack deployed in a distributed and truly layered architecture. Additionally to that, vice versa, you get a secure connectivity from branches and remote users to Firewall as a Service platform out of the box. With that, I would like to conclude for today. I hope Firewall as a Service introduction and how Versa solution delivers it was informative for you. Thank you for watching.